Hello YouTube, this is Vacuum Addict today, and today we've got the 1346A Hoover Junior. Now, we've actually shown a 1346A on the channel before, but this is actually in the other colour scheme. The original 1346A came out around about 1970 to 71. And that one was jade green, stroke ocean, and pearl white. Now this one, this is the more common one that we find, because this colour scheme is a midnight blue and pearl white. And this one was produced between 1972 to 1975. We're not going to switch it on yet. This one, when we first had this one, this is how it looked. As you can see on the original photograph, it was quite yellow. And I've actually wet sanded most of this back. This is probably the worst one I've ever done.
And how do you do the handle?
Yeah, he's alright. But it is a very honest looking.
The sheets don't work. Look, top sheets don't work.
No, because they're worn out. Yeah, this one here, if we get the rating plate on it out,
So I've got one.
as you can see there, it's a 1346A, and it was September 1974. So this one is 43 years old, and it's looking pretty good. It's got a few battle scars as well. You can't really see it here, but in the light you can see there is a scuff mark here. I left that. I mean, problem is if I replace...
Hey! What carpet setting?
2.
It's on 2.
Right. It has got like a battle scar here, which I've actually sanded out as best I could. But it just gives it a bit of character to it. The other thing is, the A model of the 1346 had a 4-point adjuster on it, like very much like the Hoover Senior has.
I'll turn it on in 3, 2, 1.
Not yet, mate. The bag on it, for the age,
What have a stand on it?
it's absolutely in exceptional condition. We got this one back in February 2016, and well, it was almost a 100-mile round journey. It was out in the country. It was out in the middle of nowhere, this one, but you know, it is a nice machine. I can't remember how much we paid for this. Not too much money. Yeah, I know, it's a bit sticky, that hand release.
And put it on now.
Well, what we're going to do now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some Hoover food down and see how well this one picks up. Well, we put some Hoover food down. We've got it on position 2, which is a borderline for this one, but this is quite a thick pole rug. So we're just going to got the Hoover food, which is a mixture of large particles and fine particles, and see how well this one picks up. Alright. Go on then. position 3 now. it was very hard to push on there considering how small. This only has a 250 watt motor. Now this also, because it's a 70s machine, has a shag pile setting. So this is the closest we've got to the shag pile. So we're just going to iron this thing up.
I'm not doing it.
That's right. I've actually positioned this on number 4 now. Cause we're not actually going to put anything down. We're just going to see what this vacuum pulls out really, because we've been chucking quite a lot of junk all over this rug.
A pizza and a pizza.
So Carl's now just going to switch this one on and give a quick little demonstration on the shag pile setting. Do a bit more now. We do this side?
No.
No.
Pizza.
Well, that's the end of this video now. So what you say now, Kyle? Bye for now, and please subscribe to Vacuum Man, and thank you for watching.